Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to BK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngithembe uthini kahle niyaphila. Danko. In today's video we'll talk about the following. Duduzi Shabalala giving Ama fans of Kaizer Chiefs quite a scare, thinking that he's leaving the club just because he removed photos of him wearing Kaizer Chiefs jersey. On Instagram we'll talk about situations surrounding Ulangelihle Phili, Kevin Msimango and Ashley Duprez ukuthi finally Stellenbosch are giving in. Langelihle Phili is a Kaizer Chiefs player, but Kaizer Chiefs had to sacrifice. And we'll talk about Neo Buhluku being given a 3-year contract by Kaizer Chiefs senior team, which is good news, but there's a concern there, but we'll jump that bridge when we come across it. And then we'll talk about Bradley Cross. It seems like he's going to be assigned a new role. He won't play the regular position that we know him of. Kodwa ke niyalazi udaba ngaphambi ukuthi ekude bengicela ningisize ngento eyodwa ngokulike on the video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Kodwa ke mawuso subscribe dango kaningi asivele sihlelo udabeni. Finally Stellenbosch are getting what they want. Kaizer Chiefs also get what they want. It's a 50-50. Everyone benefits, but here I believe that Kaizer Chiefs bayishaya emva kwendlebe. Iqiniso lihle asingaligeki futhi. As much as most fans want to see Langelihle Phili donning the gold and black jersey, but the sacrifice that Kaizer Chiefs made to get to Phili, I believe that Stellenbosch is the one that benefited the most in this deal, not Kaizer Chiefs. And now it is going to put Langelihle Phili in a situation whereby he's going to be in between a rock and a hard place, because the expectations now are high. Everyone wants to see why did Kaizer Chiefs give Stellenbosch 2 players plus cash on top to get to Langelihle Phili. And if it doesn't perform, it becomes a problem again, because we as fans, we always want to see good players being signed by Kaizer Chiefs. And the minute they don't perform, we are the first ones that it's either we criticize the management or the player itself. And I hope that he delivers, because if he doesn't, it's going to be difficult for him. His life won't be that easy to live a natural. But akukho esingakusho, he's a Kaizer Chiefs player, so lokho kuchaza nje into eyodwa ukuthi vele by Pule Modi they have competition, and I just hope it's going to be a healthy one. But what do you think about this? Just imagine sacrificing General Tata Zonke Msimango, and now he is a player that achieves, he didn't find himself in a position whereby he is a regular because of injuries. But the minute he started to regain his form back, he gets to be transfer listed or sacrificed by Kaizer Chiefs. No, we want to use you as a smoother in this deal of Langelihle Phili, including Ashley Duprez. And the reason why I said is Stellenbosch is the one that is benefiting. It's like they are replacing Umloisane with Kevin Msimango, replacing Langelihle Phili with Ashley Duprez, and they get money on top. It doesn't make sense, even though we see the intentions by Kaizer Chiefs are good. But negotiating wise, I don't think they were smart here. They were outsmarted by Stellenbosch. It's just that there's no need to complain, but we have to accept that Stellenbosch is an. But asikho lapho, let's move to the next topic. We'll talk about Duduzi Shabalala. People thought that he's leaving Kaizer Chiefs just because he removed pictures of him wearing a Kaizer Chiefs jersey on Instagram, but later to find out that he recovered those photos. And obviously people will be concerned with kwenzakalani, because there's nothing bad happening between him and Kaizer Chiefs. But I think that was something that he did because he was revamping himself after getting a new Puma deal, so he wanted to start something new start on a new leaf, but manje ke you know ukuthi people are good when it comes to drawing between the lines. I mean reading between the lines. And now that people are leaving Kaizer Chiefs, you'll never know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs can release him while there's a crisis whereby there are still players that are needed. Even Fernando da Cruz did mention that I need offensive players. So I don't think he's leaving Kaizer Chiefs. But if he were to leave, I believe it will be not under Kaizer Chiefs' will. Because I believe most players now are smart. Instead of them signing contracts that simply means they are binded fully, they are controlled by the club. They just put a release clause there. So that no matter what happens, if there's a team that wants to sign me and they bring to the table this amount, then I should be released as long as it meets that fee. If they put a 10 million rands just like they did with Makati, there's no way that they're gonna stand in the way of him leaving Kaizer Chiefs. But singapaniki kakhulu makhosi, let's just be excited ukuthi Ulangele Hlephile finally size samthola. And another thing is that Mduduzi Shabalala, I still believe in him, which is going to be instrumental for Kaizer Chiefs this season. I just hope he fully recovers and then he comes back to work. He still needs to give us our performances amahle. It also, I believe with bazokuluzana kahle, but we still need another attacking midfielder. Let's move to the next topic of Uneo Buhluku, one of the best goal poachers with reserve team for Kaizer Chiefs. And the Kaizer Chiefs is blessed in a reserve team because they have cover in all the positions that they have. Uvela Khumalo made it clear ukuthi once we sign players or we develop players, we make sure that our reserve team doesn't have players that have only 1 or 2 years still left in them to play, but we make sure that we get those younger players. For example, Uneo Buhluku njengoba kuthiwa unikwe 3 years by Kaizer Chiefs kusina team. Uneo Buhluku una 17 years old, so he still has more years to play with reserve team if Kaizer Chiefs don't have plans to use him kusina team. But if there's an opportunity, obviously, since 3 years, if there's another club that wants to sign him, Kaizer Chiefs can sell him. Simple as that. But that is a good plan by Kaizer Chiefs. Let's have these young players so that you know what you want to instill in them, it grows in them. Not that so uyayenza ngoba ujahile ukuthi no uzoba na 21 after that is no longer eligible to play with reserve team. But I still say even now that we are producing good players, but those good players sometimes they don't benefit the club. But with Uneo Buhluku, obviously there's also an Aledi Hlongwane, so you see ukuthi it won't be easy for him to play with senior team. But it's good news that they are believing in him as much as I do, because I know that he's a goal scorer. He has been doing it for 3 consecutive seasons now for Kaizer Chiefs, as young as he is. And then sivala Bradley Cross. It seems like Bradley Cross is going to be used as a left center back, if I'm not mistaken. Kaizer Chiefs using Kevin Msimango as a swap deal to get Ulangele Hlephile simply means one thing. Uma right center backs gayafuga, so it simply means they have to add another player that has those attributes to play as a center back. We saw him being played as a left center back against Scotland FC, so that simply means good right center backs. We have Ukunika, we have Umloisan. No Miguel can play as a right center back, but also he can add on those left center backs. But 2 left center backs is going to be Bradley Cross, Roshin Dudley, and Miguel. Miguel is going to be in between. It will depend whether in which position will he be used in that game. But I see Uguti, no, with Kaizer Chiefs they were smart when they were doing this swap deal. With okay, asenze kanje, we have to sacrifice. So defensively, we know what we are good. So let's sacrifice a defender and another player that plays forward that is no longer doing good, not because he's not good, but we know that if you can give him to Stellenbosch, he might be able to resurrect his career and make sure that he becomes the best version of himself again. So Bradley Cross ku-left back uzonqaba aphinda edlale, but it will depend on coach ukuthi u-stranded kangakanani, because currently we have vele siqine ngayo ku-left back, but basebenzise uCross there, not uCross, I mean uFrozler ngale ku-left back.